Okay, I'm here at Beech Creek and I just scoped it out and it looks like the water's really calm. It's really low and very calm. So I'm gonna kind of back up my car a little bit, pull the kayak out, and I'm gonna kayak down a little bit and see. I'm gonna explore a little bit because there's a lot I can't see from here. So I'm gonna put the kayak in. It's not gonna be any big deal, and you know, kind of meander around, see what I can see out there. Okay, I'm back at Beech Creek, and it's really low. I'm having a hard time finding a waterway that I can get up without having trees or just hitting bottom. So I imagine if it's a little bit higher, it would be kind of a cool paddle, because there's like several different waterways you can go down. Now, Beech Creek sits between two like major lanes of a highway. I can't remember the name of the highway, but so it's noisy, and a lot of fishermen. Well, not a lot, I saw a couple of them, and I'm gonna head down the other way and see if there's a clear way. I don't think there is, because the water's pretty low. So lots of fish in here though. I see some fish jumping, so it's definitely good fishing here for sure. So anyway, I'll report back. So I don't know if you all can see that, but I did get a picture of it over on that branch, or over on that tree. There's an alligator. He's got to be about maybe 4 foot, maybe 3 foot. It's a little guy. And he's been sitting there sunning on the branch for a while. He's just chilling out. All right, well, that was pretty cool. That was a small gator, not anything like Elvis that scared the bejesus out of me. But it was cool. I couldn't really get back very far. A lot of down trees and stuff blocking the path. If this is a little higher, it's probably a really interesting paddle because there's like these little areas that you can go down. I think this would be a cool place to come back to when the water level is a little higher. So I'm gonna go check the Wateree now and see if I can get back on that creek beside the Wateree. Okay, I stopped down at the other Wateree put-in. I think it's called like Tolar put-in or something. And I knew it was the current was gonna be strong. I scoped it out, did a little homework before I actually put the kayak in. And it was strong against the current, but it's not that far. Like, there's a little waterway here that I want to explore. It looks really interesting, and it's along the highway, so it'll be a little noisy. But I think it's a pretty big waterway, so I'm gonna check it out. So as you can see, there's a lot of downed trees and you can't get back there. I think if the water is like 2 more feet high, I can get back pretty far. I mean, as far as I can see back there, and I probably could drag the kayak over, but I just, you know, it seems like it'd be a lot of it. Like I'd have to get over this one, then I'd have to get over that one, and I'd have to get over that one. So it's it would be kind of a pain to do it. So I think the water level's high back here. I'd really love to explore and see how far I can get, because there's a lot of action going on back here for sure. So I'm paddling up the Wateree. You can see how strong the current is, which is why I'm not going to go very far. I mean, it's moving. But you can see I can't get very far with this kind of a current. A beautiful day though. Okay, so I did a little magnet fishing, came in, put the kayak away, and then, you know, threw the magnet out a few times, and then this boat comes in. These guys here, very sweet. You know, I said hello, struck up a conversation, and they said, you know, catch anything? But, you know, I said, no, I haven't gotten anything, I don't know. So they said, hey, we got some fish, you interested in having some? I was like, oh yeah, that'd be great. I'd love to bring my mom home some fish. So I got like a bunch of fish, which I'm gonna tell my mom that I caught a bunch of stuff magnet fishing, and then I'm gonna open it up and then I'll show her and she'll, you know, laugh about it. But anyway, it was a good day and I met some nice people and I'm heading home.